Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pivot table and pivot chart quickly in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to create a pivot table with pivot chart. So let's start. To simply select the entire data, you just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. And the second way, simply select the inside the cell of this data, and you can use here the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, you can see here the one option Pivot Chart. Just click on this drop down, and here the second option Pivot Chart and Pivot Table. So in this option, you can create both Pivot Table and Pivot Chart quickly. Simply click on this second option, and here you see the one dialog box is open, Create Pivot Table. The first option should choose the data that you want to analyze. So range here automatically select it. After that, choose where you want the pivot table report to be played. So new worksheet here I select, and after that just click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the new sheet is added with the pivot chart fields, with the pivot chart analysis and design tab and format tabs. So when you add the chart fields in the below areas, you can see the below's area, filters, exercise, legends, value. When you create the chart, it's automatically create the pivot table also. So I just drag the fields below the area. So I just add the product in exercise. I add the total price in values area, and I add here the date in filters, and that's it. Here you can see the pivot table and pivot chart create here quickly. Okay. So now if you want to filter some in charts, just click on this date. Okay. And just click on this drop down arrow. Okay. Then select the date those you want to filter. So I select this 17/4/2024. And after that, click on the OK and see here the changes. In pivot table and pivot chart, both is filtered. Okay. So I just click on this drop down arrow, click on the select multiple items, click on the all, and click on OK. And here see the changes. Okay. You can use this pivot chart analysis, and you can analyze your chart. You can insert the slicer, insert the timeline. There are a number of options available to analyze the chart. With this, the design tab, you can design your pivot chart also here. Okay, so just click on this drop down arrow. You can see the pivot style is available here. Different type of style is available. You can just click on it and you can insert the chart style. Okay, so this is the way you can quickly insert the pivot table with pivot chart. Okay, and here you can see the pivot chart fields, not pivot table fields. Normally, when you create the pivot table, you can see here the pivot fields. But here the pivot chart fields. It's mean when you create the pivot chart, it's automatically create the pivot table also. It's quickly create the both pivot table and pivot chart. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.